We're here at the Jackson Street Garage here in Columbus. And we have this rather interesting JL here to ride. Yes, we're going up.
Let's bring it around. I'm gonna jump out here.
Murphy elevator.
Yeah. Step to 4. It's got the GAL cowbell.
Yep.
It's got a bit of a slow start up, that's for sure.
Nice.
Decent view out there.
I got a fever. And the only prescription is more cowbell.
Yes. That's a funny bell indeed. This thing is very interesting.
Give it a ground. Takes a billion years to level.
That's only going down, that's for sure.
Yeah.
You ride again?
Hi.
Yeah, he is. I just love that bell,
Me too.
even though it's muffled. Decent cab overall.
Yeah, it's a nice cab for a parking garage. I like the floor.
Floor was renovated in 2019. Back then it was much more disgusting.
Murphy.
Yes, Murphy installed this with GAL Jet Plus fuel
Yeah.
resistant.
Yeah, these parts are not that common.
Nice view out there as well.
Yeah. Capacity 2,500. It's rather interesting that there's like no fire. Oh yeah, they have fire service up there, but it's interesting. I like these buttons.
I do too. They're pretty nice.
You're a ground floor.
Takes forever to level.
And there's the machine room.
Turning it around.
There goes the elevator. And I guess that is going to be it for me.